Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the winter bird in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. Okay, first of all guys, you need to take the quest from Bailey G. The quest is called Winter Birds on Duty. You can go to the central square to find Bailey G. Okay, and you can take the quest from her. And now I'm going to show you guys how you can find the winter bird. So basically the winter birds are wearing the winter outfit like this. This is Winter Flamingo, and we're going to chase the flamingo and take the bird info card. Okay, this one. Oops, don't move. Oh my god. It's moving. Okay, let's find the flamingo. Where is it? Okay, finally I found one with the winter. Okay, finally I could capture the winter Greater Flamingo. Okay, and my quest is completed. Then we need to find Bailey G to submit the quest. Submit the bird info card. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the winter bird in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!